Building custom shelves and storage solutions is one of the best ways to organize your home and make use of every inch of space. With some basic tools and a weekend of work, you can create beautiful, functional shelving that fits your exact needs. Here's how to build custom shelves and storage like a pro. Start by planning your design. Measure the space carefully, whether it's a closet, living room wall, or garage, and decide how you'll use it. Sketch out a simple plan showing the height, depth, and number of shelves you want. For heavy items like books or tools, choose thicker boards and sturdy brackets for extra support. Next, choose your materials. Plywood, MDF, or solid wood boards all work well, depending on your budget and style. Plywood is strong and cost-effective, while solid wood offers a natural look. For painted finishes, MDF gives a smooth surface with no visible grain. Once you have your materials, cut the boards to size using a circular saw or table saw. Always wear safety goggles and use clamps to keep pieces steady while cutting. Sand the edges smooth for a clean finish. For floating shelves, you'll need hidden brackets or a cleat system. Screw a wooden cleat or metal bracket securely into wall studs, then slide the shelf over it. This gives a sleek, modern look with no visible supports. For standard wall-mounted shelves, find the studs using a stud finder and mark them lightly with a pencil. Mount shelf brackets or supports at the desired height, making sure they're level. Then place your board on top and secure it with screws through the bracket holes. If you're building built-in storage, like a closet organizer or cubby unit, assemble your frame using wood screws or pocket hole joints. Reinforce corners with metal brackets for added strength. Add back panels or trim pieces for a finished appearance. Before painting or staining, fill any screw holes with wood filler and sand smooth. Apply primer if you're painting, or stain and seal if you prefer a natural wood finish. Let it dry completely before loading up your shelves. A few design tips. Use adjustable shelf pins so you can change shelf height later. Add crown molding or trim to built-ins for a polished, professional look. And consider adding cabinet doors or baskets to hide clutter while keeping the space tidy. For garage or utility spaces, use heavy-duty metal brackets and thicker boards. You can even add hooks underneath for hanging tools or cords. A few pro tips. Always anchor shelves into studs or use wall anchors rated for the weight you plan to hold. Space brackets no more than 16 to 24 inches apart to prevent sagging. And when painting, use a foam roller for a smooth, even finish. Building custom shelves and storage gives you total control over your home's organization and design. With a bit of planning and a few hours of work, you can create beautiful, durable storage that looks built in and makes your space work smarter for you.